Hello and welcome to Bforex.com Global Market Review. The dollar has remained relatively range-bound all across the board. We've seen it lose some slight ground as traders are now hesitant to buy the US dollar ahead of the elections tomorrow. It seems at the moment that Barack Obama is in the clear lead of John McCain. It should be a miracle if John McCain does win the elections. Ladies and gentlemen, bear in mind the interesting fact at the moment is how many Democrat senators are voted into the Senate House. If the Democrats able to receive 60 Senate seats, that means they'll have full control over the committee and could pass any bill without the Republicans slowing down this bill. This could affect the financial markets. The market will be watching closely how the elections play out and exactly who wins and by what percentage. Now let's go, Robert, for a look at the commodities market.
Gold will be an interesting commodity to watch this week, folks. The U.S. elections are coming up, but the interest rate decisions by the Bank of England and the ECB will also affect the price of the dollar. If the dollar gets stronger, look for weakness in the gold price this week. I'm expecting to see gold start trading in the high 690s. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Robert. Besides the elections, today will be interesting data to look out for. We have Mervyn King testifying before the Bank of England Treasury Committee. This will be interesting to look out for. Could give traders an indication as to where short-term interest rates will be in the UK. We are expecting a rate reduction very soon. As we see later on this week, Wednesday and Thursday, we have the central bank statements from the Eurozone and from the UK, both expecting a rate reduction in the UK and the European region. So this could slow down, put the brakes on the euro and on the sterling, which has gained a little bit of ground against the dollar in the last few days. Other important data this week are the non-farm payrolls report, always a big market mover. We're important to see how the jobs report is affected by the recent financial crisis and how the how the labor sector is currently managing in the US, taking into account the major economic slowdown of our times. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you again tomorrow.